भारती न्यूज़, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
Good evening, I'm Sahil and you're watching Bharati News. Let's have a look at the biggest news of the day. Here is the national news first. The Supreme Court commenced hearing on Tuesday on a plea filed by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, challenging his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate in a money laundering case related to the now defunct Delhi excise policy. Tough questions were posed to the ED by the Supreme Court regarding Kejriwal's arrest and the delay in the probe. Court questioned the agency on the lengthy duration taken for the investigation, highlighting that it took 2 years to uncover any insignificant findings. Additionally, the bench inquired why pertinent direct questions were not posed to the witnesses and the accused in the case. The viral meme featuring West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, a similar AI-generated video of Prime Minister Narendra Modi has surfaced online, garnering widespread attention. Unlike the aftermath of Banerjee's video, which led to an official complaint, PM Modi embraced the creativity of the clip, expressing amusement at seeing himself dance. He remarked, "Like all of you, I also enjoyed seeing myself dance. Such creativity in peak poll season is truly a delight." The video, shared with a humorous caption, received over 11 million views, with netizens impressed by PM Modi's light-hearted response. Amid intense firing between security forces and terrorists in the Redwani Pine area of Kulgam district in South Kashmir, at least 2 terrorists, including a top Lashkar commander, have been reported dead. The confrontation ensued after security forces launched a cordon and search operation following intelligence about terrorist presence in the area. As security forces attempted to advance after cordoning off the village on Monday night, they encountered terrorists attempting to flee their hideout. The ensuing exchange of fire escalated the operations into an encounter. Now let's have a look at the international news. Israeli military seized control of the Rafah border crossing between Gaza and Egypt after rejecting a ceasefire proposal from Hamas. Overnight airstrikes in Rafah resulted in 20 Palestinian casualties. The closure of the border crossing has been condemned for ex-terrorist crashes in Gaza. Boeing Starliner spacecraft launch set to carry NASA astronauts Sunita Williams and Barry Wilmore to the ISS was postponed due to a valve glitch in the rocket's upper stage. The delay was announced by United Launch Alliance Director Tom Heather III. NASA confirmed the issue with an oxygen valve on the Atlas V rocket and scrubbed the launch for May 6th. The astronauts exited the spacecraft safely, marking the first human-crewed flight for Starliner. Multiple explosions were reported in Rafah, southern Gaza on Monday night following Israel's rejection of Hamas ceasefire. The explosions were heard to the east of Rafah, prompting concern, but US sources do not anticipate a significant Israeli military action. Biden administration remain opposed to Israel entering Rafah, as stated by White House spokesperson John Kirby earlier on Monday. Now presenting the business news of the day. Akshaya Tritiya, celebrated on May 10th, is considered auspicious for buying gold, jewelry, homes and cars. Banks are offering attractive loan deals with discounted processing fees to attract customers. Major banks like Union Bank of India, ICICI Bank and State Bank of India offer car loans up to 10 lakh rupees for 4 years at interest rates ranging from 8.70% to 9.10%. To accurately file your income tax return for the fiscal year 2023-24, assessment year 24-25, ensure you all have necessary documents including Aadhaar card or enrollment ID if you haven't received it yet. Linking your PAN and Aadhaar allows online verification of your ITR using an OTP for authentication. Missing documents can impact your tax liability, so gather all required paperwork before filing. Let's glance over the top sports news of the day. Real Madrid secured their 36th La Liga title, setting a new record as Girona defeated Barcelona 4-2, guaranteeing Madrid an assessable lead in the standings. With only one league loss this season, Madrid's victory over Cadiz earlier in the day solidified their position. They now lead second place Girona by 13 points, while Barcelona dropped to third. With 4 matches remaining, Madrid can now focus on a potential La Liga Champions League's double, facing Bayern Munich in the semi-final return leg after 2-2 draw in the first leg. Tokyo Olympic medalist wrestler Bajrang Punia has been provisionally suspended by NADA for failing to appear of a dope test at trials in Sonipat. Punia left angrily after losing, did not provide a urine sample and may face further consequences, including missing selection trial for the Paris Olympics 2024. That's all for today. For future news and updates, subscribe to Bharati News. Thank you for watching.